Ever wondered how the hair you use for extensions or wigs is collected and processed? Well, today, you're in for a treat as we delve into this fascinating process. Picture this. A batch of collected hair arrives at the factory. The first thing to do? Check for any lice eggs. If any are found, that bundle goes straight for lice egg removal. But in this case, all the bundles are clean, so it's time to start brushing. The aim is to hackle out those super short, tiny hairs that no one really likes. Once most of these are removed, align the hair strands at their roots. Then secure the bundle with a rubber band to ensure no hair moves. Now, it's time to wash. Prepare warm water and add about a cup of liquid soap per kilo of hair, along with about 5 liters of warm water. Sink each bundle into the water, but remember, never force it down. If a bundle doesn't sink, leave it. With time, it will descend to the bottom. If you force it, you risk tangling the bundles, which would be a real disaster. After the bundles have soaked for several hours, it's time for rinsing. Take each bundle and place it into a container of clean, warm water. Rinse each ponytail one by one, looking out for any bundles with unremy characteristics. These ones usually look like they have wide shoulders. If you find any, separate them out. Finally, it's time to dry. Lay the bundles out on a drying rack. Depending on the room temperature, this process could take 1 to 2 days. So there you have it. The journey from a head of hair to a bundle of extensions or a wig is a meticulous process that requires careful inspection, washing, and drying. It's a process that ensures that the hair you work with is clean, healthy, and ready for its new life. Remember, the key is patience and careful handling. Now, the next time you pick up a bundle of hair, you'll know just what it went through to get to you.